Hello students, how are you? Fine? Good. So today electrophilic substitution reactions part 3 we will continue. Those who have not watched my videos, first two videos, please watch those videos in YouTube. In first part electrophilic substitution reactions we discussed halogenation, nitration and sulfonation. In part 2, electrophilic substitution reactions, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Today, part 3, electrophilic substitution reactions, we will discuss Friedel-Crafts acylation reactions. Right. Myself, Dr. Ashok Reddy. So, you are watching Ashok Reddy chemistry classes. Welcome to AAR Tuitions. Right. Continuation to electrophilic substitution reaction. It is a continuation class, part 3, electrophilic substitution, electrophilic substitution reactions, electrophilic substitution reactions. Today, Friedel-Crafts acylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation. Right. Last class Friedel-Crafts alkylation we completed. Today Friedel-Crafts acylation. In Friedel-Crafts acylation, electrophile is RCO plus is the electrophile. RCO plus acylium ion. Acylium ion is the electrophile. Coming to reaction, when benzene reacts with acid chloride in presence of Lewis acid should be anhydrous. The reason we explained in the first part. Then lone pair of electrons on chlorine forms a coordinate complex. This bond becomes weak. Shift of bond pairs towards chlorine. As a result, electrophile. Positive charge here, that is acylium carbocation that will attack on benzene ring. So one electrophile displaces from the benzene ring. So finally the product formed is acetophenone, CH3CO. Okay, right. So coming to the mechanism, for one reaction we will write the mechanism. First step, acetyl chloride reacts with AlCl3. First step is the generation of electrophile. Lone pair of electrons on chlorine forms a coordinate complex with AlCl3 to give CH3CO, Cl, positive charge, weak bond AlCl3 minus. After that, this bond becomes weak, undergoing cleavage, shift of electrons towards chlorine. As a result, CH3 acylium ion, CH3CO plus acylium ion plus AlCl4 minus conjugate base. Right. So this is the electrophile in Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. In step 2, attack of electrophile. So benzene with electrophile acylium ion CH3CO plus. So shift for taking place from here to here. Then you will get a complex, sigma complex, positive charge, hydrogen, CO, CH3. Right. This is a sigma complex. This positive charge is stabilized by these two double bonds. I will write sigma complex directly. This is the sigma complex formed in Friedel-Crafts acylation. Sigma complex, hydrogen, CO, CH3. Sigma complex in Friedel-Crafts acylation. In step 3, removal of old electrophile. Step 3, removal of old electrophile. positive charge, hydrogen, CO, CH3 in presence of conjugate base AlCl4 minus. Okay, so this hydrogen will be moved to give acetophenone as a product. COCH3 acetophenone product formed in Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Right. Next problem, Friedel-Crafts acylation. Next problem. Benzene. Next problem, benzene reacts with propanoyl chloride. Butanoyl chloride. Propanoyl not required, directly alkyl. AlCl3, anhydrous. Then, so no need to write mechanism. So lone pair of electrons on chlorine forms a complex. After that, this bond becomes weak, undergoing cleavage. So positive charge, so the acylium ion that will attack on benzene. So electrophilic substitution reaction. So I will write the directly final compound product. CO, CH2, CH2, CH3. Right. So just remember Friedel-Crafts alkylation. They suppose, so here if it is a Friedel-Crafts alkylation, in case of propyl chloride and butyl chloride, what happened? So carbocation formed as an intermediate that will undergoing rearrangement. But in Friedel-Crafts acylation, no carbocation. This is acylium ion. It won't undergoing any rearrangement. So remember the difference between Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. Now next problem. Next problem. COCl. So no rearrangement. No rearrangement when benzene reacts with acid chloride. There is no rearrangement. The product formed is CO, CH2, CH, CH3 and CH3. Okay, that is the product form. There is no rearrangement. Why? Because this electrophile is acylium ion. Electrophile is acylium ion. Okay, right. So next example, benzene reacts with benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride in presence of Lewis acid AlCl3 anhydrous. What is the product form? Benzophenone. Right. This is the product of it. Right. Now next problem. Acid chlorides. We discussed a few problems that are based on acid chlorides. Okay, acid chlorides will undergoing Friedel-Crafts acylation. Other than acid chloride, anhydrides will also undergoes Friedel-Crafts acylation. Anhydrides also undergoes Friedel-Crafts acylation. Ester also undergoing Friedel-Crafts acylation. Ester. Carboxylic acids also will undergo Friedel-Crafts acylation. Acid chloride or acid halides. Acid chloride, anhydride, ester and carboxylic acid. So these four type of compounds will undergo Friedel-Crafts acylation. We already discussed the acid chloride. Now we discuss anhydride, esters and carboxylic acid. Remember one point, in Friedel-Crafts alkylation, alkyl halides will undergo and cyclopropane will undergo, alkenes will undergo and alcohols will undergo Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Whereas Friedel-Crafts acylation, acids, halides, anhydrides, esters, carboxylic acids will undergo Friedel-Crafts acylation. Now, the side product formed in each case is different. In case of acid chloride, HCl is the side product. In case of anhydride, carboxylic acid is the side product. In case of ester, alcohol is the side product. In case of carboxylic acid, water is the side product. We will discuss. Now, coming to next problem. Benzene. Next problem, benzene. We will use anhydrides here. Acetic anhydride. Benzene reacts with acetic anhydride. Benzene reacts with acetic anhydride in presence of Lewis acid, AlCl3, anhydrous, right? Anhydrous. Oh. What is the product form? Yeah. So we will write. So we will write the mechanism for only first step. Mechanism for first step we will write. Right. So acetic anhydride, CH3CO, acetic anhydride, that will react with AlCl3. We will write the mechanism up to the generation of the electrophile. So lone pair of electrons on oxygen forms a complex with AlCl3, then CH3CO, positive charge, CO, CH3, AlCl3 minus. Then shift of electrons towards oxygen, then the electrophile will form CH3CO plus SiO ion plus CH3CO AlCl3 minus. AlCl3 minus. Right. That is the electrophile that will attack on benzene. Right. This is the electrophile that will attack on the benzene. So the product formed is acetophenone. The product formed is acetophenone. Right. Next problem. Write the product form. Write the product form when benzene reacts with propanoic anhydride. Propanoic anhydride. Right. So no need to write mechanism every time. In presence of Lewis acid, AlCl3 anhydrous, then what is happening? The product formed is, so this is the electrophile, right? This will form a complex. So shift of electrons from here to here, positive charge, that will attack, right? So we will write directly CO, CH2, CH3. Ethyl phenyl ketone. Next problem. Write the product form. Write the product form. Propanoic or butanoic. When benzene reacts with butanoic anhydride. Butanoic anhydride. In presence of AlCl3 anhydrous. So what will happen? Oxygen forms a complex, shift of electrons from here to here. This is the electrophile. Right. We'll write directly the product. The product formed is CO, CH2, CH3. Propyl phenyl ketone. Right. Next example. Very important. Next example. Very important. When benzene reacts with, write the product form when benzene reacts with the anhydride. What is the product form? Think and tell. What is the product form in this particular reaction? So we discussed three problems. Acetic anhydride. So it's a two sides. CH3 group is there. Propanoic anhydride, butanoic anhydride. Okay, both sides the electrophile is the same. Okay, but here in this problem, suppose, so up to here no problem, it will form a complex. From here to here, there is a possibility from here to here or here to here. There is a possibility of two electrophiles in this particular anhydride, but the product is one. So which product will form? Now, so whenever the problem is like this, then always the electrophile will be less hindered is the electrophile. Less hindered acylium ion. Less hindered acylium ion is electrophile. So less hindered, which is the less hindered? So this is the less hindered. The product formed is acetophenone. The product formed is acetophenone. Right. Now we will discuss some problems with ester. When benzene reacts with ester, ethyl acetate, simple example, COO, CH2, CH3, in presence of AlCl3. AlCl3 should be anhydrous, right? Anhydrous. So lone pair of electrons forms a complex with AlCl3. So shift of electrons towards here, positive charge developed here, then that will substitute this electrophile. Acetophenone is the product. Right? The side product is alcohol, CH3, ethanol, CH3, CH2, OH. Right? Next problem. Write the product formed when benzene reacts with CH3, CH2, CO, O, CH3. Write the product form AlCl3 anhydrous. Right. So what will happen? Lone pairs forms a complex with AlCl3. Shift of electrons towards oxygen, positive charge. This is the electrophile that will attack on benzene. CO, CH2, CH3, and side product is methanol, CH3OH. So methanol is the side product. Right. Now, next. Ester is over. Now we will discuss one problem with acid. One problem with acid. Write the product form. When benzene reacts with, we will take acid. CH3, CH2, CH2. Butanoic acid will take. Butanoic acid. The product form. Write the product form. So reacts with AlCl3, anhydrous. Then, so mechanism similar to anhydride and similar to ester. It forms a complex with AlCl3. Then shift of electrons from here to here, and electrophile will generate here. Then the product obtained here is CO, CH2, CH2, CH3. Propyl phenyl ketone. Then side product is water. Water will be eliminated the reaction. Right. So far we discussed the acid chlorides, anhydrides, esters and the carboxylic acids. Now we will solve some advanced problems in Friedel-Crafts acylation. Now let's see, when benzene reacts with succinic anhydride. This is succinic anhydride. Succinic anhydride. Benzene reacts with succinic anhydride. AlCl3 anhydrous, product A. A further reacts with thionyl chloride. Further reacts with thionyl chloride to give B. B further reacts with, B undergoes further reduction with zinc amalgam concentrated HCl. This reagent is Clemmensen reduction. Clemmensen reduction to give C. C further reacts with AlCl3. C further reacts with AlCl3 to give D. D further reacts with Wolff-Kishner reduction. Wolff-Kishner reduction. Wolff-Kishner reduction. Wolff-Kishner reduction. In Wolff-Kishner reduction, the reagent is hydrazine plus KOH plus ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol to give E. Right. So write the products A, B, C, D, E. You see, first AlCl3 thionyl chloride Clemmensen reduction, again AlCl3 followed by Wolff-Kishner reduction. Here, note on one point. So these two reagents, so new to us, Clemmensen reduction and Wolff-Kishner reduction. We'll write on few points. So Clemmensen reduction and the Wolff-Kishner reduction. Reagents are different, but the conversion is same. Wolff-Kishner reduction. Wolff-Kishner reduction. So what the role is? So these two reagents, so Clemmensen reduction, ZnHg conjugate, Wolff-Kishner reduction, hydrazine, KOH and ethylene glycol. These reagents, either aldehyde or ketone or COH or COR will convert into like this. CO will be converted into CH2. CO will convert into CH2. Okay. So note down this point. Very important. Note down this point. In Wolff-Kishner reduction and Clemmensen reduction, the conversion is CO group will convert into CH2. So here CO convert into CH2, HCH3, CO is converted into CH2. Right? Reduction reaction. Now, step 1. Already we wrote mechanism, forms a complex, then shift of electrons from here to here, then acylium ion will form in here. So this will attack on here. Then so the product obtained is CO, CH2, CH2, CO, OH. Right, COOH. Right, this is a Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Right. Now then this reacts with the thionyl chloride. So in thionyl chloride, acids gets converted into acid chloride. This is acid that gets converted into acid chloride. Now conversion of acid to acid chloride. CO, CH2, CH2, CO, Cl. See, this is B. From B to, so Clemmensen reduction. So Clemmensen reduction, right? I will write Clemmensen reduction. So what is Clemmensen reaction? Either aldehyde or ketone. So this is not acid chloride. Aldehyde or ketone. Okay, this is a ketone. CO gets converted into CH2. CO gets converted into CH2. CH2, CH2, CO, Cl. This is C. C further reacts with AlCl3. So again what will happen? So this is a Friedel-Crafts acylation, right? So this is chlorine, lone pair of electrons forms a complex here, then acylium ion. So this acylium ion will attack on which group? Same group. Okay, so here it is a ring activating group, then the electrophile will attack at the ortho position. Electrophilic addition at the ortho position. Electrophilic attack at the ortho position. Then the product obtained is CO, CH3. So this is D. Right. D further reacts with Wolff-Kishner reduction. Wolff-Kishner reduction. WR Wolff-Kishner reduction. So what is Wolff-Kishner reaction? CO or CHO gets converted to CH2. Here it is CO, right? Ketone. Right. That's gets converted into CH2. Right. So this is E. Right. So this is about to A, B, C, D, E. Write the product form when benzene reacts with phthalic anhydride. This is phthalic anhydride. When benzene reacts with phthalic anhydride. PH, THA, phthalic anhydride. Same sequence. First AlCl3, right, to give A, further A alkylation, then thionyl chloride to give B, which on Clemmensen reduction, zinc amalgam plus concentrated HCl. So to give C, which on further reacts with AlCl3 to give D further reacts with Wolff-Kishner reduction, N2H4, KOH and ethylene glycol to give E. Right? Write the product form. Same example. A, B, C, D, E. So already we discussed last time. So A is the product. A is, so right, I will directly write the product form. A is CO COOH is the A. Right. So A to B. So conversion of acid to acid chloride. B is COCl. C. So from B to C, Wolff-Kishner reduction. What is Wolff-Kishner reduction? CO gets converted into CH2. This is not aldehyde, this is not ketone, so it will not affect. C is acid chloride. Right. What is D? So from C to D, AlCl3. So again, what will happen? So acylum ion will form here. Thus acylum ion will undergo Friedel-Crafts acylation. Where it will attack? It will attack on this group. So here, so ortho to this one, because it is ring activating group. So then D is right, D. Now T further undergoes Wolff-Kishner reduction. So what is Wolff-Kishner reduction? So aldehyde or ketone to CH2. This is ketone, CO to CH2. Right. So this is about A, B, C, D, E. First Friedel-Crafts acylation, acid to acid chloride, CO to CH2, further acylation, then further reduction. Right. So next one, aniline. When aniline reacts with CH3Cl in presence of AlCl3, CH3 acetyl chloride in presence of AlCl3. Write the product form. Question number 2. This is aniline. Write the product form when aniline reacts, when aniline undergoes Friedel-Crafts alkylation and the Friedel-Crafts acylation. Write the product form when phenol, this is phenol, hydroxybenzene phenol, undergoes Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. CH3Cl in anhydrous AlCl3, CH3COCl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Question number 3. Write the product form when pyridine. This is pyridine, undergoes Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation. CH3Cl in presence of AlCl3, CH3COCl, CH3COCl in presence of anhydrous AlCl. Right. Now, no product form, no product, and no product. There is no product form when aniline or phenol or pyridine undergoing Friedel-Crafts alkylation or acylation. The reason is aniline readily forms acid-base complex with Lewis acid. Right. So we are adding AlCl3 to generate either carbocation in Friedel-Crafts alkylation or acylium ion in Friedel-Crafts acylation, right? But what is happening? This AlCl3 is forming a acid-base complex. Acid-base complex with aniline. Acid-base complex. Acid-base complex. Okay. So since the AlCl3 that we are using, that is forming acid-base complex, then so there is no chance to generate either carbocation or acylium ion in this reaction. So whatever AlCl3 that we are using, that is used for the formation of acid-base complex with aniline. The same thing will happen in case of phenol also. Whatever the AlCl3 that you are using, that will form a acid-base complex with the phenol. Acid-base complex. So acid-base complex. Low is acid-base complex. Right. That is same case will happen in case of pyridine also. Whatever you are using AlCl3, that will form a acid-base complex with the pyridine, AlCl3 minus. So as a result, there is no chance to generate either carbocation or acylium ion in these three cases. That's why aniline, phenol, pyridine will not undergo Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. Now, write the product formed when nitrobenzene undergoes Friedel-Crafts alkylation in presence of AlCl3 and Friedel-Crafts acylation in presence of AlCl3. Write the product form when nitrobenzene reacts with alkyl halide or acetyl halide in presence of AlCl3. In both the cases, no product. Why? Why? Because what is happening in this reaction is nitrobenzene, nitro group is withdrawing group. This is withdrawing group. This is withdrawing group, also known as deactivating group. So because of this nitro group, so the benzene ring will undergo electron deficient. This nitro is making benzene as a electron deficient. Right. So because of this withdrawing nitro group, benzene is more electron deficient. And so what is the electrophile is forming here? CH3 plus. Here acylium ion, CH3CO plus acylium ion. So those two are weak electrophiles and this is electron deficient. Because of this electron deficient, that is due to NO2, the weak electrophile methyl or acylium ion will not attack on nitrobenzene. Because of this electron deficient, that is due to NO2 group, so the benzene becomes more electron deficient. Due to that, the weak electrophiles will not attack on nitrobenzene. That is the reason why in Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation, this nitrobenzene is generally used as a solvent. Right? Generally used as a solvent. Very, very important. Right? Since it is not undergoing any Friedel-Crafts alkylation and any Friedel-Crafts acylations. That's why generally it is used as a solvent in Friedel-Crafts reactions. Right? Important points. Some important points. Right. So in Friedel-Crafts alkylation, what will happen? One of the drawback is after formation of the product, so further Friedel-Crafts alkylation will take place. Why? Because ring activating group will present in Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Whereas in Friedel-Crafts acylation, that problem will be not there. Why? Because the product formed is always in Friedel-Crafts acylation is RCOR. So this is deactivating group, right? So since the deactivating group that is attacking on benzene in Friedel-Crafts acylation, no further Friedel-Crafts acylation takes place. Friedel-Crafts acylation takes place. No further Friedel-Crafts acylation takes place in Friedel-Crafts acylation. Whereas in case of Friedel-Crafts alkylation, so in Friedel-Crafts alkylation, what is happening? So always alkyl benzene is formed. This is activating group. So ring activating group. So since ring activating group is present, so here further Friedel-Crafts acylation will take place. Further Friedel-Crafts alkylation takes place. Friedel-Crafts alkylation takes place. Okay. In Friedel-Crafts alkylation, ring activating group is present. In Friedel-Crafts acylation, ring activating group is attacked. So this, because of because of this deactivating group, so no further Friedel-Crafts acylation. Because of ring activating, Friedel-Crafts alkylation will take place. Further Friedel-Crafts alkylation. That is the difference between alkylation and acylation. Now, next point. In Friedel-Crafts acylation, no carbocation is formed. Only acylium ion will be formed. That's why no rearrangement will take place in Friedel-Crafts acylation. Right. So just I will make a very clear, simple table. Alkylation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, and acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation. In Friedel-Crafts alkylation, rearrangement will take place. Rearrangement will take place. That is because of carbocation. So in Friedel-Crafts acylation, no rearrangement. Why? Because no carbocation, only acylium ion. In Friedel-Crafts alkylation, further Friedel-Crafts alkylation will take place. Further Friedel-Crafts alkylation will take place. Why? Because the activating group will attack on benzene. So here no further Friedel-Crafts acylation. No further Friedel-Crafts acylation. No further Friedel-Crafts acylation in case of acylation reaction. So these are the main important points differentiate between alkylation and acylation. Last topic, reactivity of alkyl halide. Reactivity of alkyl halides. Reactivity of alkyl halides in Friedel-Crafts acylation. In Friedel-Crafts acylation. Right. Which acyl halide reacts readily undergoing Friedel-Crafts acylation? Or COF, or chloro, bromo, and iodo. Which acyl halide readily undergoes Friedel-Crafts acylation? Right. So here the reactivity depends on leaving group tendency. Depends on leaving group tendency. The leaving group tendency is so fluoro is less than, bromo is less than iodo. Why? Because size of halogen is more. So in that case, so fluoro is less reactive than, chloro is less reactive than bromo. So iodo is more reactive in Friedel-Crafts acylation, fluoro is less reactive in Friedel-Crafts acylation. So this is about Friedel-Crafts acylation. So in the next class, we will discuss Gartermann reactions. Okay, Gartermann-Koch reaction, Gartermann aldehyde synthesis. Right. So follow the class, watch the videos, practice well. All the very best. Thank you.